All right, we got this 1990 Toyota pickup, 4-wheel drive. Customer brought it by. Said it wasn't running right. On idle, it's misfiring. So we finna chase everything down. Which I just changed the plugs, new plugs, clean the distributor cap, distributor. And right here, the coil pack plug, I called hell getting that one out. It broke. Couldn't get it out. Broke it. Etc. etc. But anyway, rigged it up, got it back. Robbed the plug from one of my Toyotas I got. So, guess I can show you how it's running. As you can hear, she's sick. I believe the tornado got a hold of her ass. Anyway, y'all hear it. Misfire. Shut her down. And back to these plugs. Plug wires. Somehow some got crossed up in the rain. But number 2 should be where number 3 at. Switch these real quick and get them in there. A lot easier when you got it all, but fuck that. Let me see if she stay on there. Alright, and this last one is a bitch. She's a bitch. Just stick my hand in there till I get burnt a little bit. Sacrifice for now. Make sure everything on there. Went to get a new cap because I broke it. It's broke right here, the main lead. But for just today, we're gonna run like that. That's the whole reason why. It was so corroded up in there. Spark plug, like it ain't never came out. That's why it's good to use that grease to put it off in there. A lot of people say it's bad to use that grease. It ain't bad, but they don't recommend it. Or don't use it as much. But everything's for a reason. So tomorrow when the new one coming in, we're gonna grease it up. But today we're gonna get it going. Hopefully find some mud somewhere. Let's crank her up and see if she sounds any better. I'm praying that's the problem. Besides that, got a little jumper wire over here from the starter. Yes, I can hear it already. Almost. see. See, he's humming now. She's ready to ride. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Like and subscribe. Yoda life, baby. They ain't got you one. Can't get you one. Gonna find your way and get you one. So Yoda, where is that? You ready to go hit this mud, baby? Yes, sir. You ready to go hit this mud? Yes, sir. Well, let's see if we're gonna find some. We're gonna load up and it's plenty wet. Plenty wet. I'll get back with y'all another video.